Your at-home COVID-19 test kit will include scissors, a registration card, a double-sided patient reference card, a set of instructions, and a specimen collection kit box. Make sure to remove the materials at the base of the box before proceeding. The kit will also include a biohazard bag, a return envelope, and the box for shipment. Place the collection tube from the specimen collection kit box here to avoid spilling the liquid when collecting the sample. After creating your account and registering your kit online at www.dxcovid.com, fill out the registration card. Fill out the patient reference card. Keep this card to track your results. Do not ship it. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water or an alcohol-based solution. Take the scissors outside of their packet. Inside the specimen collection kit box, you will find an alcohol pad, a collection tube, and a nasal swab. Clean the surface where you'll be collecting the sample with the alcohol pad. Caution: the collection tube has liquid inside. Unscrew the cap of the collection tube and insert it into the tube holder. Open the swab. Do not let the tip touch any surface. Gently and slowly insert the swab into your nostril for about 1 to 1.5 inches or until resistance is met. Rotate the swab 3 times all the way around the nasal wall with slight pressure. Repeat this process in the other nostril using the same swab. Insert the swab with the tip down into the collection tube. Cut off the extra part of the swab so that the swab fits completely inside the tube. Screw the lid on tightly. Make sure no liquid leaks out of the tube. Place the collection tube in the biohazard bag. Seal the biohazard bag. Store at room temperature. After collecting your sample, you need to ship it back. Remember to keep your patient reference card. Do not ship it. Put the biohazard bag containing the tube and the registration card into the larger box. Close it. Put the closed box into the prepaid FedEx shipping mailer envelope. Make sure to ship your sample on the same day that you collected it. Finally, drop off your sample at your nearest FedEx drop box.